एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरी तनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are first watching my channel, you know that please like, share and subscribe to Shreya's Activity channel. Now I'm going to show you our garden tour, home garden tour. Now let's start with this side. See, this is a shining plant with dark green and light green. And this is also a hanging plant, but we have planted it in a pot like this, and we have placed it on our steps. These are like green hairs actually. I used to call these as green hairs. If you come to this is a green means one type of money plant. If you come to this side, see, this is also a shining plant like that, but this is in dark green, that is in dark green and light green. If we come to this is an English ivy plant and it's so beautiful. See here, it's in heart shape, like a special heart. If we come to this is actually my cycle basket which I used to play in my childhood. I planted many of the hanging plants here because we hang it on in the wall. If we come to this is also a type of money plant with 4 colors: yellow, white, dark green and light green. And if we come to this is also a money plant that is like a green, means light green. This is anthurium, red mini anthurium. And this is double shaded leaf with green outline and pink inside. If we come to this is the dark green money plant, and this is the homemade pot. See, we have used here ice cream baskets like this, then a use and throw box, and then a pot with some holes, then a frame, then a chime. You know already all this process. By seeing it you can get it. If you come to this, first it will be like this tin structure like this, then it converts into this color, and then a darker, then it when it's drying, then it will convert into double mixed colors like a grandmother. It will become grandmother. It's still baby, then it becomes second standard, then 10th standard, then here it becomes grandmother after giving birth to its babies. And come to this is also a type of hanging plants which I showed you, that green hairs. I am saying for the comedy, but that name is not green hairs. And if you come to this is a milk tin or oil tin or like phenyl lyson. That's tin. We can cut it here and then we plant it there. And this is a beautiful caterpillar. Actually here it's gone because it's we made this in lockdown actually. And if you come to this is a what I should say, I showed you that one. This is also a plant like that, but we have taken iron stripe and converted into heart shape, then twisted the plant to that. And this is a tiny mini plant. And if you come to this is a statue of 2 faces, one girl and one boy. This is my mom and this is my dad. If we come to this is also a creeper like this, but that's actually a tiny, so it's what it will also grow bigger. And this is their babies, it's still growing. And this is also same like this, but a different type of that. If we come to this, you can't see this, I'll show you. This is what it's like a peacock feathers. It's still tiny. I have we have grown there. I'll show you there. It's big actually. And this is an elephant. Here is a snake plant. It's so tiny, so it's not straight and its leaves are so looser. And if we come to this is Zerberi. You already know that there are many colors in this, but we have them, but they were not properly and they died in few days. And this is a remaining color. If we come to this is also like a Christmas tree, but not a Christmas tree. And if we come to this is, I don't know, I can say you this is a step by step pot.
No, tower pot.
Tower pot. We have used some of water tins, big water tins, then some pipes. If we put water to one pot, it supplies to whole four. This is one special in that we can plant four plants in this. And if we come to this is a purple leaf plant. And this is a cockroach plant because these leaves are like a cockroach. You can observe it. Yeah, right? It's like a cockroach.
Yeah.
So I used to call it as a cockroach. And this is a bowl plant. I used to call it that, but I don't know the particular names. I like to grow, but I don't like to. I like to know their names, but I can't remember all of these plants' names. It will be like this when it's still growing, and then becomes like this, and it converts into a bowl, then a big plant, big leaf. This one is like a coconut tree, Erica palm. This is also anthurium, but big anthurium. See, you can see this. This is like a heart shape in red color. And this is also, you know that I said this Erica palm. And this is a tiny mini pink flower. It's not even equal to my finger. Now come to this side. If we come to this side, see, this is also one type of creepers. This is so bushy here. If we plant one leaf, it can grow more bigger, but the water should be limited to scrape. If we come to this is, you already know that hanging plant and polka dotted pots here. This is actually our home's what we call dress hanger, right? We used to dry dresses here. We have reused it. I wish you should also reuse the things which you can reuse them, like plastic, like this tire, then like this iron. You must reuse it, please. And if you come to this is, and even oil tins or milk tins like this, I showed there even. We didn't waste any of one items which we can reuse. We used all of them. This is a tire, and then our old bushes. Here we have placed it here downside just our dog's pedigree car. You can use any plastic for it, and make some of the holes down. Don't forget to make the holes, and don't forget to stitch the plastic. It must be very thick. The plastic must be very thick. This is also in same type. This is also same type. We have a normal plastic cup, but it doesn't have bushes downside. And here is some grass, and here is the statue of Radha Krishna. This grass actually we have planted a little bit, but it grown bushy, so bushy. If we plant little, many plants can grow like creepers and grass can grow, but roses can't grow. And if you come to this is also a type of snake plant, but not a snake plant. Don't think it as snake. This is also a creeper. I showed this tiny mini, and this is the big, and here are the babies. This is also even a pink, and this is a very peaceful place. It's peaceful as a temple. Here is a Buddha and some bricks, and we have placed some of the succulents here. It contains with water, so we should not keep more water to it. It may harm to plants if we keep more water to the succulents. This is a peaceful place, and we have morning tea and evening tea, and I and my brother enjoy here in this place, and we even meditate every day here, but not here. In our balcony there is also a Buddha with meditation. We meditate there, and see here, this is a boy pot, and this is a girl pot. This is, you can guess it, this is my brother, and if you come to this is me. See here, he is like this only, and this is also a plant, but I don't know that name actually. And now we are going to rose part, means rose garden. See here, we have collected almost all many colors of roses, like yellow, pink, white. I'll show you yellow, rose and white. But see this, you can observe every rose, but this rose leaves are very different. And this one, this is like,
Orange.
yeah, pink, orange. And this is a baby pink, but it's shaded with white. And if we come to this is still growing actually. Next, we can come to this side. See here, this also still growing, and this is a rose, tiny rose, and this is the color like this. All are dried actually. If they are dried, their new flowers are growing. And if we come to this is also a pink. This is also pink. We have collected more pink roses here in our garden. And here is yellow mixed orange. And this is my dad's favorite flower. This will, after it grow, this will become like this. And if we come to this is a pink flower. And this is a baby pink flower. If it grows, it will become like this. Then here, see here, this is my favorite rose in our rose garden. See here. Now, if we come to this here, this is our This is our dog shed. We have planted here also. See here also some of the hanging plants and some other plants. And here, see here, this is my mom, and this is my father, and this is my brother, like a joker. He's pakka like a joker. I'll show him. Come here, Shrayu. See here. See, he's similar to this, but height is more than that. Okay. Now let's have a look at our rose garden. See, my favorite and my best friends. See, here is Snoopy. Here is Lucy. He is a very sleepy boy. He wakes up only when we say him I brought chapati. He wakes up only then. And if we come to she's a very active and very sharp girl. He's very sleepy boy. Now come on. See here. This is a hanging plant, but see, it has flowers in only 3 months in a year, but it's already gone. Actually, when we get flowers in that, it's very beautiful, and some of the birds make their houses, make their nest there when there are many flowers. And if we come to this is also a pot with some of the smiley faces. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all also homemade. And this is also a green haze I showed you there. And see here, this is so beautiful. And here are 2 types of that. And these are also creepers, snake plant, and these are also what I told there. These also need less quantity of water. We have to keep water for that, but not for roses. They need 2 to 3 times in a week, but they need only 1 to 2 times in a week. And this is also a stand which I showed there. We used to keep clothes here, but we reused it. And this is the painting which my mom made. She is very interested. My mom is very interested in this, like painting in acrylics and some of the oil paints. This is actually fabric or acrylic paint. And see this and this. This is a boy which he is going to take the piano, and she is just. And these are also what? These are also like a polka dotted, but not it's polka dotted. It's just painted like flowers. And see, this is ZZ plant. And if we come to this is also like a bowl leaf plant I showed you there, but it's not like that. And this is also a plant I showed you there, but that is different than this. See, this is also cockroach plant, and this is not type of money plant, but it's like that which I showed you there. And this is also plant like that, but it has brown, and that has pink. See, this is also what we call. This is also a homemade pot with which we use threads like this, and then some of the pipes and their caps, and some acrylic paints. This is also a tiny mini flower that is pink, and this is purple. Yeah. If you come to this, here see, all flowers are dried. Actually, there are only some of them. They're still growing, and many babies are there. And see here, this is also like a Christmas tree, right? See, it's in a shape. We can even cut it and make some shapes here. See, here it's shaded with 2 colors, yellow and dark green. Come here. We are searching the plant for this, but we are still searching because it need a plant like its feathers. And here also it's still growing. Here you can see this iron stripe. We used this for that heart-shaped money plant. And these are all the button roses until here. This is changed here and here. It's button rose. It's dark pink, and this is shaded with white and pink. This is actually, I used to call this as a spring plant because see this here, it's like a spring. See, it's like a spring, and it's also a climber. And if you come to this side, see here, this is also snake plant, but this is little yellow, and that was little mixed yellow with full green, and this is more mixed yellow and little green. This is also type of a bonsai. This is also, which I showed that side. And see here, this is also a peaceful place, but we can't sit here. We get direct sunlight, and here now it's summer, and here is so heat, so we can't sit here. There is very peaceful, and if we get up at 6:30, 7 o'clock, there is very peace. And see here, this is a plant like it's like a lotus, and this need only water and little bit of soil. It need water more to grow. And here is a heart shaped plant. In that only we have kept the same kind. See here, this is also type of snake plant, and this is actually like a coconut tree, like a straight and very strict like this. And this is also very peaceful god, and this is called Tulsi. And if you come to this is actually a pot inside. You can see this here. Downside too, you can see that white pot, but you can't see from here because it's covered whole of that pot. And this is red color. It's same variety in this pot. Actually, here is a plant which we used to keep to our heads, which we used to tie them each other, and in some festivals we used to tie that for our hairs. And this one is also like that, but not same. This is green and then purple, and that is also same kind like that, but the color is changed than that. This is also even same like that. This is same, but that middle one is different. And see, if we come to here, see, wow, it's so beautiful red actually. I love red. And this one is lucky plant. And see, here is a statue of a girl taking some of the pots water like this. And see, this is also stand. This is stand. And this is also polka dotted pots which we made in our home, like a what we can call it's like a S. And this one is a cycle tire. We have removed that rubber and we have used that. See, I told you we reused things, but we didn't buy anything. This is a bonsai. These three are bonsai. See, this is the seed of them. Seed of this bonsai, it should still open. Then we should tear it and keep it stored for some days until it dries. Then remove all its, that front process. This is also a hanging plant, but here it's full, so we can't hang here. And we should change the plants if we have to hang. These are also many types of hanging pots. And this one I showed you there, these are the babies. See how many we have planted, only 2. 1, then 2, we have planted only 2. Remaining all it's extra, it's grown. And this is also, see here, this is also hanging plant, but we can't hang here. This is money plant, and this is also ZZ plant. And this is like a coconut tree. And here, if you come to this, these are spider plants. See, here are many plants. This is snake plant. See, with yellow stripes here and then green. And this is the plant which my grandmother planted this. This is the jasmine. These are still growing. My grandmother is blessing to it, and she's not. She's no more now. She's blessing to all these babies, and we have more feeling on it. See, if we come to this is also plant I showed there, and these are all spider plants and some creepers. See, this is cactus, round cactus, and this is lily. Thank you. Have a look at this part. This is rainbow color theme which we used waste tire. See here, we used tire and we sprayed them with the paint of rainbow, and then just hanged these all pots with some iron stripe. And this is also cactus. And see here, this is also ice cream basket. And this is the waste bottles here, and we painted it, then just threaded hole and threaded it. These are all lucky plants. Come here. This is also the pot with the water bottle. This is also same with the water bottle, and this is like a lucky plant, but not that. Now let's have a look at our out garden. See, these are all snake plants, and here is a plant, and here are many plants. See, they were so tiny. This is what silver plant, and we have kept all of these snake plants because to protect from the goats until it become bigger. We must protect them all from the goats. See, here are many, and this flower is beautiful. And see, I forgot to say you one. My father used to spray medicines for all the roses. If we don't spray them weekly once medicine, it may get harmed with some of the insects and some of the diseases. Now let's have a look at our indoor plants. Now I am going to show you first my favorite fish. This is Prince, and these are all indoor plants. This is artificial, and these are also indoor plants. And see here, rainbow fan. And see, this is made by the thread. And see here is a Ganapati, and their mom, dad, I have written it's rubbed, and here it's like a plant with bited with. This is indoor money plant. I have decorated it for Christmas. Now let's have a look at our balcony too. See, here is a tortoise with two Buddhas, and then this is also a type of plant. This is a snake plant. See, I used to meditate here in front of this Buddha, and this is also a type of plant, and this is a small dining set, mini dining set of my Barbies. This is a theme of rainbow colors, and this is a tea mug of mud pot. And see here, I said you that peacock feather. It's like a peacock feathers. It's big. This is that. And this is bamboo plant. This is also lucky plant. And here some of the plants. We have planted many. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
my video.